I'm making a secret ingredient recipe. I'm making secret ingredient tomato soup. It contains 2 secret ingredients. It's supposed to be one of the best tomato soups you'll ever have. Grab a pot, 2 tablespoons of oil, tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon oregano, quarter teaspoon thyme, quarter teaspoon rosemary, pinch of crushed red pepper, and a nice shake of black pepper. I'm gonna cook and stir these herbs for about 1 minute over medium heat until it's nice and fragrant. I need 3 ounces of tomato paste next and a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm gonna stir this continuously for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding a large 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Stir to combine. Shh, it's time for our first secret ingredient. It's cannellini beans. I'm putting them in a blender. Juice and all. Puree until completely smooth. Add that to the pot and stir it to combine. It's on a medium-high heat. I'm gonna put a lid on top, bring it up to a simmer, then I'm gonna lower the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Shh! Now it's time for the second secret ingredient. It's nutritional yeast. You need about a tablespoon inside. You know, I've never actually used nutritional yeast before, but it says it really adds nice flavor to things. And look, it says great on popcorn. So yes, we're just gonna stir in about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Secret ingredient tomato soup. Ooh, that's wonderful. Love the creaminess that the cannellini beans gave this soup. And the nutritional yeast? Whoa, I love it. Thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. I'll always have something special for you to try. I just love putting all the oregano and rosemary in this dish. It's soup herb.